Go live. All right. Hello and good morning. Happy Wednesday, everybody. The day before Turkey Day. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. If you're traveling, be safe and I hope everybody gets their destination when they need to. So it's Wednesday before Turkey Day. So we're going to talk about a couple of upcoming holiday classes, Small Business Saturday, a few products, and then I did finish one of the bags for So Let's Make a Bag. So I'll show you that one finished. So you kind of get an idea of, I did striping on it, so you kind of get an idea of that. And then there will be a video with the flower land so you can see exactly how I constructed those stripes. All right, so let's get to it. So the first thing is my good friend Jamie, who is a felt maven. She's an expert. She's been doing it for 17 years. And so this year she asked if I wanted to host, having her come and teach a couple of really cute ornaments. And I said, absolutely. So these are the cutest ornaments. So cute. Okay. So we'll have 3 days during December that you can come in and make one of these ornaments. It's not a class, it's just an event. So you need to give yourself about 30 minutes to come in and make one of these ornaments or make a few. So we're offering kits she's offering kits that are already made. They're already cut. All you have to do is string your felt onto either the wire for the ones that have to be, for the wire or for the floss that she's doing. Okay, so we're doing 3 different kits. We have the Christmas trees and all these fantastic colors. I'm going to move it up so you can kind of see them. So we have a Grinch green. We have kind of a rust color and a marigold color. We have 2 greens, kind of a tan, a pink one, and this really pretty blue. I'm going to turn it a little bit more. There we go. That really pretty blue. So that's 2, 4, 6 different colors. And then we're just stringing them. So they take about 30 minutes. So we have Friday, the 1st of December from 4 to 6. That's the first day of Christmas in the Village. So we're going to be open a little later. So come in. You just need to give yourself 30 minutes. Kits are $15 for any of the kits, or you can get 3 for $40. It's a fantastic deal. This is a great thing to do with a few of your friends or maybe your kids to come in and do this. No sewing required. Fantastic. So, and then she also will have these candy canes, which are fantastic. And then we have the cutest snowman. I'm trying not to destroy this. There we go. We have this cute little snowman, and she does have all the scarves. She has scarves of different colors, so you can choose a different color. The candy canes are the ones that are on wire, and this is all recycled wool. So all of these are from recycled blankets or sweaters, and then she's already done all the work for you. It's all cut. All you have to do is come in and have fun. So we have Friday the 1st from 4 to 6. We have Saturday the 9th from 2 to 4, and Saturday the 16th from 10 to 1. These are great gifts or just something to add to your tree. So please come in and um, and put together some really cute holiday things on those dates. I also will be doing on the let's see, stocking class is on the 9th. So, so you will also be able to come and do the stocking and then do Christmas ornaments if you like. The stocking comes as, this will be sewing. So the stocking comes as a kit with a kind of paint, sew by numbers lines on it. So you know exactly how to sew them. And then the instructions have exactly how how much to cut and the sizes you need to cut to make this go really fast and easy. You need 16 2.5-inch strips of Christmas or any fabric really. I will have a big pile of 2.5-inch strips in the center of the table that you can use to add to yours. The cost of the class also includes the kit, so this guy right here, and then you do need a sewing machine and some thread and about half a yard of fabric for your lining. So that is on the 9th as well, and that is 10 to 2. So come in and make a stocking and then stay and make a few cute ornaments, and that would be really fantastic. All right. So Small Business Saturday is this Saturday coming up. It is one of the days that I really appreciate everybody coming in and participating in buying something from my small business. So I encourage that. So Friday is Black Friday. So Friday and Saturday we will have 40% off all holiday fabrics. That is Halloween and Christmas, and they will all be 40% off. That will also be online. So Friday and Saturday you can get holiday fabrics for 40% off. And then on Saturday, on Small Business Saturday, I'm going to have some select things that I'll have on the back table, and those will also have special pricing on them. I encourage you to come in, and that will be in store only. There'll be some really super fun things for you to come in and get. So that is Small Business Saturday. Also, we might do a little hot cocoa or something that day. I don't know. But I hope to see you guys on Small Business Saturday. I'm going to cough really quick. Okay. So we have one little holdover kit from last year, but I think it's super adorable. I wanted to kind of show it. So it's a quick and easy project for you to do for the holidays. It is the Snow Sweet Placemat kit. So every kit gets the panel with 6 placemat little guys, and then you cut them apart. And let me put this down here so maybe you can kind of still see it. So 6 of these, and then in the kit you also get your sashing that will go around them. They're all different colors, and then I included the backing, which is all different colors as well, so you can kind of go through and and choose whichever favorite backing you want that I have already put in the kits. Thank you. My assistant got me a little bit of water. Sorry about that. Okay. So each of the kits will have enough for sashing and enough for backing. I always recommend, if you have scraps of batting or something like that, you can throw those in there, or I recommend getting the fusible fleece. That way you can just kind of sew all of your sashing right on the fusible fleece, and then you're all set to go. And then you just need to put a little bit of binding around them, and you have some really cute placemats to put on your table for the season. So this kit right here, I chose, so this one has the little sparkly guy for your sashings, and then the little snowman for your backing. So there's a bunch of different ones. They're $30, and I have them all on the back table. So come in and check those out. They are considered a kit, so they will be 20% off. So come and see those.
They are online too.
And they are online
we'll
too.
Picture.
And we'll take a picture so you will know what we're talking about. Okay, 12 days update. Oh, can you grab me the Sip and Snip? So today's is day 3 of our 12 days of goodies. So every day there is an item on there that we've done at a reduced cost. Thank you. At a reduced cost, and then at the end of the 12 days, we package everything up, and you can come and pick them up. Or ship them. Okay, so today's was called the Sip and Snip. And what it is if we can get a big, no, not me though. What it is it goes on the side of your table, And you're just going to screw this to the side of your table, and you can fit your cup in here, so it's nice and close at hand. And then it also has the little trash bag that goes right on the side like that, and you could put all of your scraps in there. This is a great gift for maybe a friend that you go to a retreat with, or maybe this is a gift for yourself, so you have it right next to your sewing machine at home. They are $22 on special. Regular price is $27.99. That price is good until the end of today. So go on to the website at soletsbequilty.com, and you'll see the link to go to the 12 days and sign up for that. And come back for the next few, because there'll be some good things happening in the next few. So there we go. All right, so 12 days we did. So let's make a bag, people. Hi there. So I super appreciate everyone signing up so quickly. So we had one of the bags, which is the number one, the vintage soul. That one sold out pretty quickly. I called my my rep for the Moda Fabrics to see if there was any way he could possibly get me a little bit more. So he got me a little bit more fabric. So the people who were already subscribers who really, really wanted it, they got to get this one. But I have one left. I have one left. So if you want this colorway, which is so let's make a bag colorway. This is the bag that goes with it. Put this up here. So it's the duffel and then the little handbag that's convertible. So those two things. So if you were on the fence and this was the one you really wanted, I have one left. So go on and grab it. I still have room available for the other two colorways. And I finished colorway number 2, which is the Sunshine of My Heart. So I finished the big bag, the duffel, and I wanted to show you how gorgeous this looks all done. So this one was all of the Kate Spain Sunshine of My Heart, Sunshine in My Heart. In My Heart. Anyway, so this one is you do have to do a little bit of sewing to make the fabric to make the stripes. So everybody will get a little bit different mix of the fabrics to go with it. And then there will be a video to show you how I kind of put stripes going one way for the main body, and then stripes another way for the pockets. So you can see the pockets on the side have the stripe going the other way, going both ways as well. And then we did some of the pockets just solid, just to give your eye a break. So this one has the trolley sleeve on it, and then we have a slip pocket also. So this slip pocket and this slip pocket are the same fabric. So just to give you some continuity, and we have all sorts of like pockets and zippers. There's pockets on the inside. So this is Sunshine of My Heart. The video you'll see will be for colorway number 3, which is Flowerland from Ruby Star Society and Melody Miller. And then I'll have some extra instructions on how I created the fabric to make the stripes and make that happen. Okay. That's what we got. So let's make a bag, colorway number 2. So we had a couple of classes. We have all the ornaments. Miss Jamie's going to come in and show you how to do that. And then we have the stocking, which we have one more session of that. We have the Black Friday and Small Business Saturday, 40% off all of our holiday fabrics. So please, please, please come in and buy some of the new holiday fabrics so we have room for next year's holiday fabrics. So that would be fantastic. And then the kit, I will take a little photo of this one, not upside down though. So this is a placemat kit that we have some of, so come and do that. And what else? 12 days, please come back every day and check out what we're doing for 12 days. Today's was the Sip and Snip, and I hope everybody has a happy and healthy, and you eat way too much and have too much laughter tomorrow at your Thanksgiving table. And we'll see you again next week.